seconds.
So, meron na tayong meter, meron na seconds, and of conversion. Maglagay ka ng equal sign. All numerator, multiply. 75 times 1,000 times 1 times 1 will give you 75,000. Units sa taas is meter over 1 times 1 times 60 times 60 is 3,600 seconds. So proceed with simplification. 75,000 divided by 3,600.
75,000 divided by
3,600.
20.8 months.
20.8.
3.
Okay.
Ay, validate.
So, in conversion, pag maraming decimal numbers yung binigay sa inyo, kunin nyo lang ang 2 decimal numbers. So, meaning dito, usually yung answer dito is 20.83 nga nakadunat 3. So, usually, 2 decimal numbers lang because that is the accurate or the precise number from the numerical value.
Pagka din ba mong ground of dyan, so mag-cover na yung sumat?
Yes. Rounding off. I discuss po din yan. For rounding off, this will be the last